What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're using Total by Verizon service and international calling is not working, it means your phone is missing some settings. What are those settings? Before going into that detail, let me give you a brief detail of the international callings in Total by Verizon. Total by Verizon offers international calling to Mexico and Canada in all plans. But if you need calling for other countries, then you have two options, $50 and $60 plan. $50 plan gives you unlimited calls for up to 5 countries from the list, and $60 plan gives up to 69 countries. So there's one technical thing in $50 plan. Like once you selected 5 countries for the $50 plan, then you cannot make changes in the list until the next billing date. So to avoid this situation, always leave space for countries to add in case you need it during the monthly cycle. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys which settings you need to make international calling, and these are the current plan and the add-ons, whatever they're offering in it. Always consider the updated information, do your research before making your decision. So it's a short video, stay connected till the end. Okay, so to make international call, we need to download an application. I will go in a Play Store and we'll search here Total International. So this is the application we have to install only once, and we can select the countries, whatever we need to make international call. So Total International. So right on top, you will see Total International in red color. You need to install that application. So click on install. So wait, it's installing. So wait, once the process is completed, then we'll go from there. So it's basically it's not like WhatsApp or something else. People they think it's maybe WhatsApp, but this is how the Total by Verizon has their setup to make international calling. You have to install the app, and in that app you will add the countries, and it's only once a month you can do it. So let's start. Okay, this is the permission page where the Total by Verizon need the permission from each user who is willing to make international calling, because this application will access your contacts and the other information. So due to privacy policy, they have to get the permission from the customers. So if you don't accept that, this application or international calling won't work. So you need to read whatever it says. If you agree on that, you just click. So let's accept it. So it's saying allow Total International to make and manage phone calls. Okay, allow. Now the second is allow Total International to access your contacts. Allow. Definitely you're gonna access your contacts. So this is a welcome page. It's a tiny tutorial. You can read it how it makes. You don't have to dial any access number. Remember, this application is just for their process. After that, you can make a call directly international like this: country code, area code, and the phone number. So it's showing how you can make international calls. And let's go next. So like it's the way or the example of dialing international call. So it's the feedback and finish. So over here is asking to enter your phone number twice. So I will put my phone number. Okay, just 1 second. Let's put the number. Okay, I will hit submit. Okay, now it's showing unlimited total plan. Your plan includes unlimited international calling to the 5 countries. Select, and all other information here that I explained you before starting this video. Okay, now over here you need to look the option for countries. So that is last right in the bottom. You click on it. So here you have option or the place to select 5 countries. So let's select. I will go for example, Dominican Republic. Okay, click on it. We'll search Dominican Republic here. Okay, it's added already. So if I want to add another one, let's do it. Just selecting a random countries for a tutorial purpose. So let's select any country from this, Spain. So 2 countries are added. So there's the continue button, and I can add more countries later on. After accepting, you will not be able to change the current whatever 2 countries I've selected. I cannot change anything, but I have 3 more options to select that I can add later on in the list during the month. So this like here is showing me 2 countries. So if I want to add another country, I can do it later on, maybe after a week, after 2 weeks. If I decide to add another country, it's very simple. Go in the same application, like you see 2 countries, you can add more over here. So it's showing until February 5th. Like, let's add more. So I'll click on add more. Okay, now again here you just search the country, whatever you want to put, and in the bottom is showing you whatever countries you have in the list. So that's all. Let's go back again and add country. Let's add one more country. For example, after 1 week you decided to add one more country, so I'll add India. Okay, and top. Okay, is added. Continue. So that's all. Now I have 3 countries added in the list. It's still 2 more options I have. Okay, that's how you can set up the international calling in Total by Verizon. Give a like if this video was informative to you guys. Subscribe my channel for more videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.